Do you also own a karate school business and wants to get more admission? Reply to your leads, get their details, tell them about your courses and also help them to register for the trial class all through WhatsApp without manually doing anything? Then you are at the right place. Hey guys, welcome to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your karate school business. As replying to each and every lead is a very time-consuming and hectic task. But with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, it can be done in just 3 easy steps. In step 1, we learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. In step 2, when a user will message us, automatically our WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered and help them know the details. So now without wasting any time, let me take you to my screen and show you how it works. Hello fitness enthusiast, welcome back to my screen. Now before telling you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your karate school business, let me give you a real-time example of how it works. As on my screen, you can already see a chat flow created. Now I'll directly take you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works. Here I'll write karate class and enter it. Now as you can see, I got this welcome message. Welcome to Power Kick Karate School. Master the art of discipline and defense. What would you like to know? So firstly, I want to know about their courses, so I'll click on that. Now here I got 3 categories: Kids Karate, Adult Karate and Self-Defense for Women. So firstly, I'll move forward with Kids Karate. Now here I got the details about Kids Karate: age, timings and also their fees. Also, I have an option over here of book a trial. So I'll book a trial. Now they're asking me to write my full name. So I'll mention my full name and enter it. Now they have sent me this thank you message. Thank you demo user, that is my name, for choosing Power Kick Karate School. You can call on this number for more queries between 3 to 8 p.m. So like this, I have successfully been registered. Now just in case if I want to go for any other category of classes, I'll move forward with Adult Karate. And here I got the details of Adult Karate: age, timings and also their fees. Now if I'll click on this book a trial option, again they're asking me my name and again I can register for the Adult Karate class. And same goes for Self-Defense for Women. As you can see, I have the details over here, the timings and also their fees. And same goes for book a trial option. They'll ask me my name and help me to register. Now if just in case I don't want to book a trial class, directly I want to book a class, so I'll click on this book a class option and here they're asking me to write my full name, age and course. Also in the same message they have told me that their team will contact me shortly for the confirmed bookings. So firstly I'll mention my details over here. So like this, I have mentioned my details and enter it, and again I'm redirected towards the menu. But before that, if I want to contact the trainer, I can click on this option and here I got the contact of the trainer. Now just in case if I directly want to contact them, I'll go on this contact option, and as you can see, I got the contact number with a thank you note mentioning my name. So similarly like this, if you also own a karate school business, you can create this WhatsApp chatbot in just few easy steps. Let me tell you how. So firstly, you have to go on new tab option. Here you have to search pabbly.com/chatflow, enter it. Now we are redirected towards this page. Here we have sign up for free and sign in option. Sign up for free is for the new user, and as I already have my account, I'll directly sign in. Now we are directed towards this page. We have to scroll down, come to Pabbly Chatflow option, click on Access Now button, and now as you can see, we are directed towards our dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the top right hand side corner, we have this option Add WhatsApp Number. When we'll click on that, we'll have 2 more options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. To know how to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, we have separate videos made. You can go out to our YouTube channel and watch them. Now coming to the left hand side of our dashboard, here we have several icons. Let me teach you one by one what are they used for. Firstly, we have the dashboard option where we can view overall statistics, manage WhatsApp number and access folder. After that, we have inbox where we can see and respond to WhatsApp messages from user in real time. On third option, we have contacts. Here we can manage our contact list and view detailed profile. On fourth one, we have team queues where we can assign chats to specific team members and manage support queues. On fifth option, we have templates. Here we can create and manage message templates approved by WhatsApp. On sixth option, we have broadcast where we can send bulk WhatsApp messages to multiple contacts using templates. On seventh option, we have flows where we can build and automate chatbot flows for WhatsApp conversation. We'll use this today. Next up, we have AI Assistant, which uses AI tools to enhance customer response and automate replies. Now we have activity logs, where we can view logs of all our recent activities and system operation. After that, we have settings, where we can configure account, business profile, and integrate create settings. Last but not the least, we have Get Help, where we can access support, resources, tutorial, and customer assistance. Now let me teach you how to create the flow. We'll go on this flow option, click on the flows button on the first one. Here on the top right hand side corner, we have this option Add Flow. We'll click on this, and now we are redirected towards this page. This page is called our flow builder page. Here you can see this tag flow start, which will help us create our flow. But before starting your any flow, you have to give your flow a unique name. For example, I'll give this flow a unique name of WhatsApp chatbot for Karate School Business and enter it. You have to do the same with every flow you create. Now coming to the right hand side section, we have this toggle button. We have to switch on this button to activate our flow and also save our flow with each and every step. Now coming to this flow start tag, here we have three options: keywords, regex, and choose template. So firstly, let me tell you what are keywords. Keywords are specific words or phrases user might type that trigger a reply block. Here we have to write them manually. Now coming to regex. Regex refers to regular expression. They are more smarter than keywords. They are a smart way to catch multiple similar words or phrases with one rule. Just in case any user will type us with the full sentence, automatically our regex will help our chatbot get triggered. Here we have a special code for regex. So this is our special code which we use for regex. Also, we have to toggle this button on to activate our regex. You can either use keywords or regex, but today we'll move forward using the regex option. Now to know how to choose template and create your flow with that, we have separate videos made. You can go out to our YouTube channel and watch them. Now coming to the starting of our flow. Here on the top left hand side corner, we have messages and action section. Here all these buttons will help us create our flow. So firstly, I want to write a welcome message for my user. So for that, I'll drag this text button option from message section to my flow builder screen like this. Join it with my flow starting tag and enter my message and also give some buttons. So as you can see like this, I have entered my welcome message and also have given three buttons option. That is for courses, book a class, and contact. So firstly, I'll move forward with the details of my courses and mention my categories over there. So for that, I'll again go to the messages section, drag this text button option over here in my flow builder screen, join it with my courses option, and here I'll write my message and mention my courses. Now like this, as you can see, I have mentioned three of my categories: kids karate, adult karate, and self-defense for women. Now for each of the categories, I want to write the details about the course. So for that, I'll again go to the messages section, drag this text button option over here in my flow builder screen. Firstly, I want to write details about kids karate. So join it with that, and here I'll write the details. So like this, I have written the details of kids karate, mentioning the age group, timing, and also their fees. Now I also want to add a button of book a trial option. So like this, I have written my details, also have given them a button of book a trial option. Now similarly, I want to do the same with adult karate and self-defense for women course. So simply, I'll copy this message box over here. To save my time, I'll join it with adult karate and simply change the details over here. As you can see, I have mentioned the details for adult karate and I have to give the same button option book a trial for it too. Now moving forward with the self-defense for women course, I'll again copy this message box over here, join it with my self-defense for women, and enter details for this course. So like this, as you can see, I have written the details for self-defense for women course, also have given the same option of book a trial. Now when any user will contact me for book a trial option, I want to ask their name. So firstly, I'll go back to my action section, drag this ask question option over here in my flow builder screen, and join it with all three of my book a trial option of each category. Now here I'll write my question. Now here I wrote the question of full name, also told them that my team will confirm their trial shortly. Now for the custom field, I want to select full name. To create custom field, firstly you have to save your flow and now go to the settings option. Here on the top third option, you can see contact custom field. We can create our custom field from there. So as I have already created my custom field, I'll just simply select my full name option over here. Full name is always written in text format, so I'll choose that. And for the number of attempts, I want to give 3. So I'll write here 3. Now as soon as any user will fill the details like full name and choose a book a trial option, I want to know them that they have successfully registered, also wants to give a thank you message. So for that, I'll again go to the messages section, drag this text button option over here in my flow builder screen, join it with my question and write my message over here. Also, I'll mention my trainer's number. So like this, I have mentioned everything. Also, I want to create this field as a dynamic value. So for that, you have to save your flow again and go back to the settings option. Here you have to go to contact custom field, have to copy this full name option over here, go back to your flows and just simply paste it here in this message. So like this, I have made this value a dynamic value. So successfully, we have done my flow till now. So now in case if someone just want to book a class and don't go for trial option, I'll just go back to my messages section, drag this text button option over here in my flow builder screen, join it with my book a class option, and here I'll ask them about their details like full name, age, and the course they want to choose. Now as soon as any user will fill these details, I want to give them a button of contact a trainer directly. So I'll give a button over here. So like this, as you can see, I have given this button. Now I'll just simply stretch my thread and join it with my thank you and the column where I have mentioned the trainer's contact number like this. So like this, I have successfully attached my book a class option with my thank you message and my trainer's contact number. Now just in case if the user directly wants to contact the trainer, I'll simply stretch my thread out and join it with my last tag over here where I have mentioned the number, also told them a thank you message. Like this, I have successfully completed my flow. Now we have to save this flow, and now I'll take you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works. So here I'll write a full sentence this time. Now here you can see again I got the welcome message, also the categories where I mentioned about my courses, book a class and contact. So similarly like this, you can also create a karate school bot for your business too. I hope this video was informative. To connect with us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. For more questions and queries, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and for more pricing related details, you can visit the website mentioned over here. Also, Pabbly Chatflow comes with some free plans, so you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses. So what are you waiting for? Go try it today.